All right, so let's talk about cold pressed castor oil and hemorrhoids, y'all. So, castor oil is made from antimicrobial and anti inflammatory seeds native to places like Africa and India. So if you're having any issues related to hemorrhoids, you want to just get you a little glass jar. You can find these anywhere locally because y'all know we're not shopping on the Zon. So you can find these anywhere locally. And what you want to do is you want to mix you up some castor oil in this and then also some good old essential oils. Now, this is topical only, okay? This is topical only. So you want to mix up some tea tree in there. And you also want to mix up some lavender. That kind of calms the inflammation as well. Soothes the what I call agony that you're going through. We got to be a little careful with our words here and to talk about for entertainment purposes only. But you want to make you a little mixture of this and get you some wipes that are non-perfume wipes. And what you want to do is make sure that you're really clean in that area and then put this mixture on after. Again, I know that it's so difficult when you're going through some sort of, inflammatory situation with your hemorrhoids, but this definitely helps. And be patient with yourself, okay? Because let me tell you something. One of the things that I remember with my elder aunts and my moms is that they were just patient. They knew what they knew about what they knew, and they took it. Here, take this. Here, use this. And it just worked. So all you got to do is believe that it will work and make up your mixture again in a glass jar. And you want to use the cold press, and preferably your castor oil is also in a glass container. Now, it also has oleic, which helps to moisturize the skin because you're likely a little bit chafed back there. And then last, put you a few drops of clove oil in your mixture as well. Now, clove oil has an agent in it called eugenol, and that helps with a numbing effect. You'll notice a lot of dentists use it. It helps to block the pain receptors. And if you're inflamed down there, this is definitely going to be a plus. And it stimulates you down there as well. But it also blocks the pain that you're actually feeling during a flare up. Okay. So again, to run it all back, I said clove oil, um, and a few drops of clove oil, a few drops of tea tree oil, and a few drops of lavender, and some castor oil. Castor oil is thick; it's gonna coat those roids, and just be patient with yourself. Depending on how fast you catch it, it can get even worse. So you want to catch it as fast as possible. And I'm going to tell you something else that you should be doing. Now, you can do this with either you can do it on a Q-tip. Especially if you're feeling like, or women do it, you can take a small tampon, or you can take, just kind of like ball up the tip of a wipe and put this mixture on there. And what you want to do is just as far as you can go, just a little far up, just a little bit far up. I don't know if you can see this, but just a little bit far, like the tip of your finger up into your anus. And you want to put some of the mixture there. And of course, just make sure that it's clean, clean yourself, wipe yourself. Do Epsom salt baths as well. And I think in the olden days, my mom used to call them like cyst baths or something like that. But do Epsom salt baths, warm water, couple drops of tea tree in it. Even if you're a woman, you can still take a warm bath with a couple drops of tea tree in it as well. Do that. And based on my experience, It will get better. But most importantly, you'll be able to make it through until it does get better. But this is also about healing from the inside out. So I'm going to do a part 2 about the foods to avoid if you're going through a hemorrhoid flare up. Okay, I'm going to do a part 2, foods to avoid, because we're not just healing the outside, but we got to heal from the inside out as well. And so there are a lot of foods that you may be eating currently that may be causing you some discomfort and to have those flare ups. Okay, so I'm going to come back and I'm going to do a part 2 for you.